I am honestly so excited about this. I have been thinking about this ice cream for a long time. I'm really excited to dig into it, and I'll have a go at the first. Hey, this is Sara, here in Belgrade, Serbia, on Knez Mihailova Street. This street is one of the oldest in the city. It was built around the 3rd century AD, and it's currently shopping central of Belgrade, Serbia. I'd love to show you a hidden plant-based gem on this little street. Finding plant-based gems in a city like Belgrade, Serbia, where you don't expect, is one way we can add more plant-based food, vegan food, more sustainable food to our diets, whether we're enjoying an ice cream on a hot September day or it's a meal out at a restaurant. This street is just over a kilometer long, which for you Americans means that it's only around half a mile long. You can easily walk from one end to another within a span of 10 minutes. It's a wonderful little street. You can get everything from second-hand shops here. You have people selling handmade art on the street, you have people playing music, you have people selling ice cream, sunglasses, you have high-end boutique stores. Everything you want to find in Belgrade is on this street. I'm really excited to share this plant-based option with you. It's not 100% vegan, it's not 100% healthy, but it's a small step towards providing more plant-based options to a city like Belgrade and beyond. I remember when I first discovered this place, I was just walking along Knez Mihailova and I happened to see, an ice cream place. I like to check things out in a new city, so I looked at their options, standard options of chocolate, vanilla. I was intrigued by sugar-free options, and then I saw vegan options. I was so excited. I got my first cone, and I've been hankering to come back ever since. So I'm really excited to enjoy this ice cream with you and show you a few of the flavors that they have. It's not just a vegan place, it's not just a place where only vegans go or vegetarians go. It's just a little stand. Their current vegan flavors are vegan hazelnut, vegan pistachio, and vegan coconut, and I'm going to be trying 2 of them today. So can I get 1 of the vegan pistachio and then 1 of the vegan hazelnut? I am honestly so excited about this. I have been thinking about this ice cream for a long time, probably for around a year now. I'm really excited to dig into it. So here is the hazelnut and here is the pistachio, and I'll have a go at the hazelnut first. This hazelnut is so good. Like, the flavor is spot on for hazelnut. It tastes exactly like hazelnuts. It's so rich, it's so creamy without being overpowering. It's not overly sweet. It's really a good mix of flavors. I love the earthiness of the hazelnut, and it's just so pure hazelnut. It's so good. Okay, so we got a bit of the vegan hazelnut. Now we're going to the plant-based pistachio. Yeah, again, like the hazelnut, the pistachio flavor really comes out and so pure. It's such a great flavor. This pistachio and hazelnut They just taste so good and so nutty. This 7 Heaven ice cream has to be in the top 5 ice creams that I've probably ever had around the world. And it was just found right here in little old Serbia. I have to get another taste of this hazelnut. Yeah, so rich, so creamy, and I just can't get over how much of the hazelnut flavor they have. The hazelnut has a little bit more strong of a flavor compared to the pistachio. The pistachio flavor is a little bit more subdued. They're both delicious. They're both perfection. I don't know what I would change about either of these. I keep going back to the hazelnut. The nuttiness of the hazelnut is just addicting. Pistachio again, and I love this green, such a beautiful, vibrant hue of the green. So I would recommend the pistachio ice cream if you enjoy the nutty flavor less, because it does taste like pistachio, but it doesn't have that distinct nutty flavor that hazelnuts are known for. And then if you are looking for a nuttier flavor, I would go with the hazelnut because it just has that quintessential nutty, earthy flavor. This hazelnut and pistachio ice cream was so good. I would have to give it definitely a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, however you rank it. I don't know how else it could be improved upon. I'm just so happy that I had it again. I've been waiting a year to have it. There's only one other ice cream place that I would go out of my way in the world to visit, and that is a place in Seattle, Washington. The ice cream was amazing, but this is in the top ice cream places I've ever had. They have non-dairy flavors, they have dairy, they have sugar-free. There's something for everybody at this place. I highly recommend this. Pro tip, if you're enjoying a piece of 7 Heaven and you need a drink, you can enjoy a drink from this fountain. Locals come from wherever they are in the street to wash their hands, take a drink, clean their shoes off, and so I'm gonna get a sip before I head home. Thanks for coming along with me to eat plant-based ice cream here in Belgrade, Serbia from 7 Heaven. I was so excited to share this experience with you. I hope you come and enjoy a scoop or two of plant-based ice cream here in Belgrade, Serbia from 7 Heaven. Top ice creams I've ever had in the world, and there's so many more gems in Serbia to explore. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can come explore them with me while I explore Serbia and the world. Have a great day. Bye.